Hello everybody, and welcome to the next daily recap with the Dada's trading system. So, Dada's trading system daily recap. Today is Monday, November 2nd. We already have November, and it's already November, and it's very warm. Like today was plus 15 centigrade. So that's basically spring weather. So spring weather in November is pretty unusual here in Poland. Usually, I mean, at least some time ago, we usually had. I mean, like beginning of November, it became wet, cold, and foggy, stuff like that. Uh, Pretty unusual. I mean, like I was just complaining about the cold in the house because as you know, because my furnace broke down, and we spent quite a few, almost a week without any heating, and practically wearing our normal outside coats and stuff inside the house, and then all of a sudden it's warm again. Well, however, the good news is that somehow, one way or another, I've been able to at least temporarily solve the issue of the furnace. The furnace has been patched up by the method of cold welding. I mean the TIG method. And well, I've also made a little bit of a very small modification. I inserted a ceramic or ceramic plate to the element that was, let's say, broken, right? Uh, so that should take off the initial heat from the fire. So this steel wall I think should hold up longer right now. Anyways, yeah. So that's the good news. Now let's take a look at the DAX 30 index that I trade every day, and let's see what happened. Well, basically, we can see that today the index opened below the Dada's daily pivot, and during the Asian session, the Dada's daily pivot was acting as resistance. However, the lows were getting higher, and also the highs were getting higher. So basically, there was a bullish trend visible. And then on the opening on the opening of the Frankfurt session, the price started going up, broke through, then retested again on the opening of the London session, and then started rallying up. Right, it reached some kind of a local high, then retraced a bit, made a new high, and that was the high of the day. It turned out to be the high of the day. Hopefully, I don't know, because the market is not closed yet. I mean, there's still 25 minutes of the market, so who knows? Maybe there will be a higher high today. Well, we'll see. Anyways, we can see that it retraced back, then made a lower high right here, even though the lows were still higher. So basically, this was the moment of the break right here. Right here was the moment of the break, and then the price continued up, but found support and turned around and then started climbing up. Uh, I have to admit that today I wasn't actually looking much at the M15 chart, except for the just the early morning. I mean, early morning. I got up very late today, so I was practically on the market about noon. So yeah, but I was looking at the M5 charts. I was looking at the M5 charts, and I was trading the M5 charts solely today. So what did I do here? Well, first I saw this opportunity to go in long because basically this price action was pretty much showing that there is a long, right? Of course, the spread right now is bigger than usual. Uh, yeah, so I traded this long right here, and I decided to get out of it because the price, you see, the price almost reached my take profit on this candle, but didn't, and it started moving back. So I simply closed the trade, and that's it. 16 pips. It's a very good trade for me. Now, following the charts, the price action, we had a pin bar here and an engulfing candle here, and the price started going down, a signal. So I decided to go short, but put my stop loss over there, right? So that's what I did. I went short. You see that the price didn't want to go down like immediately. It pulled back, but nevertheless it came back down and started going down again. Stopped at this level. That's why I closed it. Because it stopped and it continued consolidating for another hour. No, that's not. That's 5, 10, 20, 25. 25 minutes. For another 25 minutes, it was consolidating. So counting this candle here too, where I closed it, that's like 30 minutes. So for 30 minutes, it was consolidating, and then it went down. However, it barely touched this take profit level. So basically, the take profit wouldn't have been triggered because of the spread. Even a small spread like this is still pretty significant if we are looking at this context, right? So basically, I'm satisfied with this trade. Now, what happened later? Now, I interpreted this as a possible bullish movement, right? So I thought to myself, well, okay, I'll wait for the price to reach this level, perhaps show me something for bulls. Well, there was a little hint, only a very little hint right here for bulls, and unfortunately the price didn't want to go bullish, it went bearish. So I did my typical trick. I turned around at 100 lots and made profit simply. I mean, at these moments, there is no wishing, hoping. You just gotta take whatever profit is coming. And what happened next? I mean, then the price actually did bounce off again from this level, right? And started going up. So I thought to myself, okay, now it broke this level. Maybe it's a good idea to go long again. And then I did the same thing. However, this time I got out of it a little bit earlier. Also turned around at 100 and just made barely 2 pips, and that was enough. That was very, very, very much enough. So looking at the situation further on, this was probably one of the best trades I've had for a very long time. I thought to myself, okay, so now there is this price action right here. The market is moving down. So let's see if I can recover those 2 trades. So I needed about 57 pips. So I put my take profit at around 60 pips. Yeah, 60 pips. And luckily the price reached this level, and here it actually triggered it. You see, it says it's take profit. Yeah, that's what shows in the comments of the trade history. So yeah, we can also see that the price actually respected this level pretty much, yeah, pretty much to the point, almost. And just made a retest and then started climbing up again. And with small pullbacks, it's still climbing up even right now. It's still going. We have 20 more minutes till the market closes for a 1 hour break, and we are still climbing up. So yeah, that's it. I mean, basically, I'm pretty satisfied from today, with today's trades, except for those two. Now, I've it's because of the Sunday video. I was sitting and recording this Sunday video, the Sunday with DTS video, and I got some small new ideas. Look, when I was analyzing the gold charts on the monthly time frame, and I got a few small ideas, and simply well, the better idea here, maybe that's what I should have done actually. I should have been looking at the M15 chart, and now, yeah, because there was a long trade right here, so I just had to find the long right there. There was a long trade right here, right? There was a potential short trade right here, but price never broke out, so the price action didn't show short. There was another long right here. There was a short right here, right? And I mean, that would have been all, because there's another signal right here, but I mean, this would have been take profit taken, and that's it, right? So at this moment there was another long right here. Now, these types of longs, I don't really like it. I don't really like it that way. I prefer it that way because the candle is too big, right? This candle is relatively too big, but still, I mean, maybe, who knows? I'm not saying that price isn't gonna reach there, but yeah, whatever. So basically, because if somebody is observing me, they will already have noticed that I've changed a little bit. I've changed something with my signal candles. They're not the same as they used to be. I mean, even on Friday. And I've also made small modifications to my Dada's trade ruler. Small ones, but significant, right? Small ones, but very significant. So, yeah. Okay. So, first things first. I do these daily recap videos every day. Like I said, I stream everything live. So you can join me on my Dada's Trading Room Discord server, and the link is below in the descriptions. And you can join my voice channel where I stream. So I stream my screen from about 10 a.m. that's Central European Time, until 11 p.m. Central European Time, and that's when you can watch me. Like, I don't necessarily talk, because I'm not a very talkative guy when I have nobody to speak to, except for the time when I'm, of course, recording the videos. But otherwise, I'm not. Well, I will talk to you if you want to, right? If you ask me questions, if you want to interact, then of course I will talk to you. So please join me on my Dada's Trading Room Discord server and join my daily stream live. Now, about this hour, I always record those daily recap videos, so every weekday, and you are sincerely invited. to watch them. So please like my YouTube channel, please subscribe if you already haven't, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified. You will also find these videos on my Dadas Trading Room Discord server. There's a special channel entitled Daily Recap, and there you will find those videos. You can also find them on my Forex Factory threads. There are 3 threads there. And you can find those videos on my Patreon channel. I record the daily recap videos every weekday, and on Saturdays I do the weekly overview video. These videos are public, they are visible to everybody, so you can watch them wherever you like. I think the Dadas Trading Room Discord server is a very good platform for that, and also for exchanging ideas and experiences, right? And when I record the Sunday videos, so on Sundays I usually do a long video. Yesterday I recorded a 3-hour video, and you can get access to this video only if you become a VIP on my Dadas Trading Room Discord server. You can become my VIP by supporting me either through Patreon, the link is below in the descriptions, or through PayPal, and the link is also below in the descriptions. Everybody who supports me in this way will get the VIP role on my Dadas Trading Room Discord server, and will get lots of interesting benefits. So the first benefit is access to special content, and the special content is a content like this Sunday. I was talking about how to trade gold. And I was analyzing the monthly charts. So in other words, those that type of trading would have been a trading and let's say, generally, broadly speaking, annual trading. So there would have been 1 trade per year in that context. Yeah, so the link to my Patreon is below in the descriptions. You can do that. You can support me either through Patreon or through my PayPal. And there are also many other benefits, because each monthly pledge is being summed up, and it can be exchanged for anything you would like me to do. So, like for example, I can have individual sessions with you, one-on-one, live trading, where you're doing the job, and I'm just helping you, showing you what and when to do, right? You can exchange that for my indicators, for my expert advisors. You can exchange that for my help in programming indicators or expert advisors, or also you can accumulate enough to get my whole system. And there are many interesting things associated with my whole system. Anyways, thanks a lot for today. Like I said, it's been a very warm, practically spring day today. 15 degrees centigrade, which is very unusual. Don't know how long that's gonna last. Anyways, wash your hands, wear your masks, be careful. Don't be the fool who wants to kill other people by contaminating them. So, hope you're well, and see you next time. Bye.